Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So from any screen here, the rotary control, you see the home button on the right hand side. Click the home button and then navigate to telephone, click the telephone. And then we've got searching for authorized devices, connect new device. You see the Bluetooth there. So from Bluetooth, click towards the driver, select the phone you want to delete, and you'll see the three lines there, the hamburger as they call it. If you knock that across, then you've got another menu comes up and we want to deauthorize that phone. So do you want to deauthorize the following device? Barry's iPhone 11, yes. Turn the rotary control to yes, highlight yes, and click yes, and it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so, and then we're watching out at the bottom. As you can see, I've got rather a lot of things, accessories and cars connected to mine, but we're watching out at the bottom. Then we go over here and we go to the menu button, the home button. So click on home. Then using the rotary control along to telephone, click the rotary control to select telephone, and it's already come up on connect a new device. That's what we want. So connect a new device is highlighted, so we click on that, and then we click start search on the system. It's always better to do it on the system as the system to your phone rather than phone to the system, because it generates a random pin and you just have to click to accept. So that's it, Barry's iPhone 11, click on that to accept. Watching out at the bottom, it's generated a random pin. Is it the same one? Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. And there we go, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth 56937 connected. That's it, that's how you do it. Another great thing with this system is audio streaming. So if I go to my music, it's turned down there, even though it's got a picture of, I think that's Helen Reddy. Sweet Child of Mine is playing on the, just put it back to the beginning. Sweet Child of Mine is playing. So now we go across again, we click home, and then from the home button using the rotary control, we go to media, select media, and you see there Sweet Child of Mine's playing. If I turn that up, turn down. Well, that's marvellous, it's turning the phone up as well. Right, so I'll turn that down quickly. That's a new one on me. I normally I can control the sound from my phone. Sometimes people text me or email me on YouTube and say I've got no sound when I'm streaming audio, and it's because the phone's turned down. They can turn this up as much as they want, but if the phone's turned down, it won't come through the speaker. So somehow Mercedes-Benz have got around that. So that's a great system too. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So from any screen, we click on the picture of the house there, the home button, turn the rotary control till we'll get to navigation, click navigation. Now that's actually come up on the destination screen, but if it hasn't for any reason, let's just go back. We'll go back. Sometimes it'll just come up like that, in which case you just have to click left there, and then you've got enter destination. So enter destination, make sure that's highlighted and click, and then it's a good system, a rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to numbers, so we've done PR 5 4. Go back by, we're just on the bottom line, so just click upwards to go to the next line with the letters on. J S. Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. There it is. So we select that, click select destination.
The route is being calculated. Now make a U-turn and then immediately turn right.
That's because we're sat on the forecourt. It's just come to the postcode. I haven't put an exact number in. That's how you do it.